In this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can paint your car using spray cans. So first of all, you are supposed to sand the part that you are going to spray. Make sure you start with the coarse sand. You sand first very well, and then you can use the soft sand until you are satisfied with the part you are going to spray. After that you apply the filler like I'm doing right now. So I did not show the part that I was sanding the car because I did not take it. I did not think it is necessary, but obviously I decided to talk about it because it is part of the job. So you apply the filler very carefully for the parts that you want to apply the filler. After applying the filler, then you cover the places that you want to spray. Make sure that you cover very well so that the spray does not spread more than the part you want to spray. Then you can start with the primer. So you apply the primer. Make sure you apply the primer like several layers. You can start with the first layer, you leave it to dry for some time, then you apply another one until you are satisfied. So you can work on different parts. You can work on part individually, or you can just cover the whole of those parts that you are going to spray, and then start with the primer at once. So you choose. You may either decide to work on one part at a time, or you can decide to work on the whole patches that you are going to be spraying. So right now I'm applying here the primer. As you can see, the primer is always, most of the time it is colorless. Or it may be white in color in most cases. Then you go to the next part, you do the same thing. You cover up the surrounding area using a paper and a tape, and then you spray the primer. If you want your car work to be good, then you have to take your time. You have to make sure that you are covering every part very carefully. Otherwise it will be visible like you are painting on top of another paint, which can look very ugly sometimes. So when the primer has dried up, then it is time for you to apply the paint. In this case here, you see it is two different parts. This is the part that I applied the primer. So I sand it once more using a soft sandpaper before applying the primer. So the other part I did not put I did not put this putty or the filler, or as it can be called putty or the filler. Then it is time for me to spray now. You make sure that you are spraying thinly, one layer at a time. You leave it to dry before applying another layer. So you leave it for some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes. It usually dry very fast, and then you come again and spray once more until you are satisfied. At least 3 layers is enough.